nyame adoma MPP ebeko primaries me busa question in 2 se nyame ayi akire wa hwan na benwini
okay
se wan kasa so o hwe grounds hwe de wa feel say politically sabi otoaba nti meka politically a menim de meka se wa hwe political scene nim any enei bibia MPP aba bedra o feel say hwan na betimi awini
sisi yi no say ye koto aba no ewo NPP fu ni mu a physically meto ama yen era Bawumia
nyame ne pese obe kandini ana say wo na pe na asem a pese
per what I have seen prophetically obefa
Honorable Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, ex-vice president.
Never told you.
Obesa be Frankel Tuni Ediama MPP.
As we speak now in the spirit realm, I'm telling you, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is leading and he is the winner.
It is a MPP for a video way. 80.
MPP ni.
MPP ni debi. Papa, mi busa question we. Nyame to me so sen ye vote. And I say, meaning say you have a very big respect for your papa or Pambo.
Why not?
Prophet one. I know that all do strong kubimano. So, meaning say also can say John Dramani Mahama ebefa abano.
Wow.
No cre of I. Emma ye papa cross akọ koda na se se nyankopon nam so
koda na se okoda nyame ase
okoda nyame ase me da se ne
ka ye pambo kra empene
me da se
aseda ne de
o se nyame dia no kwasem. I am saying this because you say no minim say ye papa opambo e bia na ya antena no asem amfa MPP primary si ho with respect to topic here na be di ho nkomo se wote se ye papa opambo enso se da bi the way identity check corner there edutwum ana minim say bi obi frechire
aba
ebeba how are you going to take that and how do you battle it out because nyame kro no ana da nioma edi
ohinini uni
ohinini adazo ameni no
ever after election no the Ghana for edifo nyina maka nsemu na munyina monko osofani opamo bo honkosua enkomhye
okay
enti so nyankopon aya adom na opani bi oseneme ketua bi amesene no de menye ne yepebi aka biribi different ana me nso mabe yesema nso mabe ka biribi different na me dia amemu adom na medan ademede be mo nya me se eni ma hia de otinya me ni ye esene menye no anse me ko hona.
Hello, Abusan, ladies and gentlemen. I want to believe, sir, by the grace of Jesus Christ, I bring you greetings from Canada, and I want to believe, sir, you had a very wonderful weekend. I just chanced on this on YouTube. Now, man of God, yeah, or Martin voices, radio stations, and me share them follow no. But I think say most of the time no yana mitiena mitimu say like onimkasa oniminyansa and osuro rade, and I think say he loves human beings, he is humble. Now I didn't know say automation come and in this video no the host was trying to find out say NPP or delegates conference here or mobile koi January why na ebe lead the party no and na obabe jatum say Dr. Bawumia and ebe lead based on what he can see prophetically, Dr. Bawumia, who will emerge as the leader of the NPP. Now, say say almost all the prophets now minimum no, and I say metati omunka our social media no. Only Prophet Bernard, any ebia bakubi onoso kan ho bi ene bia omu etimashem kom ediama Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Almost a different omushem come say Dr. Bawumia and a ability the Flagbearership no. I don't know a different omudoso. I a lot of videos on my YouTube. So if you go to my YouTube page now search Kennedy Agyapong, like you will get a lot of videos about omushem come near Obeba ability the NPP party no. Na saa sofu yi your friend is a Prophet Gyimah ono so asema obeka nyina say Dr. Bawumia enti ability. you know me pese me de bra mu na yedisua na I'm saying that these are some of the videos now we have to save them because at the end of the day no we will know who the genuine men of God are and I say omo ye deep. Now sometimes somebody can be genuine but ebia na onye deep. You know ebia anu no heya na ebia otimi hunu but na ontimi enhunu enko deep. You know these are some of the videos now you can save them for later use so that you can come and reference them. Now say any first time I open my channel you so kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comment. Now pay intimation idea together if possible so I share my fufro so that we can all come back at the end of the NPP delegates conference in January no. Na yenyina yaba ade aba besua de. Me nim say obeyenti I want to thank you in advance. Thank you very much.
Papa. Asama mebu saying bacho any diem. One say nyankopon na yi a kirew anase wan kasa wo pem na ade kan no ma mehu.
Okay.
Nyame adoma MPP ebeko primaries. Papa, me busa question in two. Say nyame yi a kirew a hwan na be nwini.
Okay.
Se wan kasa so o hwe grounds. Hwe de wa feel say politically sabi otuaba nti meka politically a minim de meka so wa hwe political scene nim any eni bibia MPP aba bedura o feel say wan na betimi awini
sisi yi no say ye koto aba no e wo NPP fo ni mu a as we speak now obia shen come based on the way we be can we be can we physically metal ama yen era Bawumia
menti ase o
ade nti na onti ase
say primaries no mo akoto primaries no on to be
Debbie
but say on to be
am to be ameto ama
ka beto ama Bawumia
yes
nyame ne pese obe kandini ana say wo na pe na asema pese
okay so yem fan say me penasem a initially na yakobo mpaye anadwo no say nka meko ebia ne camp but manko ho
okay okay
mi we ya ne de me amatete eno de na I felt say Hon Kennedy Agyapong na was say oba that is how I felt into your friend me so no me de o say your ko bompaye na amfa but what I have seen prophetically
Honorable Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, ex-vice president.
Never told you.
Obesa be Frank Tuni Ediama MPP. Asemi a prophecy. Nyankopon de enamo so de aba.
Me de.
Okay.
Ndebe mu me de.
Amemu so awa. It is a MPP for hwe video we eti.
Unya MPP ni.
Unya MPP ni debi. Papa, mi busa o. Mi busa question we. Nyame to me so sen ye vote. And I say sometimes prophecy debate me about because I am saying this to I don't know whether I should use disclaim. Nyameka no I can't disclaim it. But I am saying this say be ye hu say okay say nyameka so otoma no so antoma no obetimi abedi.
Said that dan ye kan okay so interview be me
yes.
And I saw from penny for me in a shankom. Yes. No, suffer Victor Kusibuati and no, Opambo.
Yes, you have a Opambo. No correct. Okay. Never to my kaipa.
I'm still be our can be a DVI no correct. Sisi and a back say why in a year and a home. Now why in a year and a Juma. The interviews are still there.
Yes. Or one KTV here, but
you know, Pediamica in onipa bi a me feel say maka bibi na ankwa ama no when your advantage cause you say asumasi come asumasi intene ma menyere me ho when a prophecy comes you don't have to slack.
Okay,
as we speak now in the spirit realm I'm telling you Dr. Mahmoud is leading and he is the winner. But that is when you slack, that is when there was a way no.
Now, so Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in the spiritual realm,
yes,
you see him leading the MPP.
Yes.
Okay, but say or teda say the nyamia keninti okay minye djuma den emfa nkoko de nyamia kan wa obetimi are
Sounds na Hon Kennedy Agyapong what prophecies. Ebi kura de atwo ho book. I respect it very strongly. But also teda obelusu. Nti obi wo de wahu. Me nso me won ya. Maha. And obi anso on a pattern. Wa follow a on fail leader.
Asema mi bisa no nyina ne se papa. They say, oh, yeah, the bangi as some money cramming.
Bawumia
no. Anybody. And then maybe I me home.
Your cobon pie, my Hon Kennedy mentioned. But they bomb pie mano.
Yes.
I'm comedian name is incident social.
Yeah.
Genuine name probably the pap baby and you saw chibio gumia.
And now when you're going to go about chibio
media. To me, what I'm saying is what I have seen. Prophetic about you about Bawumia.
A stance.
Yes, I know the
Bawumia 2025.
Oh, yes.
Same people who primaries 2025. They are Honorable Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and a baby.
Yes,
prophecy said by Onyame.
But young chiweni
but previously ne de nanka obenya
na ne kra na ne de na me hia so
nka obenya
nanka enye Yura Mahama na woso
okay nanka Hon Kennedy Agyapong also de me anam gini di too much
nanka bia nanko on obi oye quiet dit se wa nanka advice Papa
me quiet but me nenu mienu nke kabo mu anka ne anka Ghana from panyifo bebreu
ba won say ya na etodebia uhia gidigidi etodebia uhia boko yenra mkofo
yes
waka na sam say nsuhie
emfenipa
etodebia uhia nsuhie bi na dia yeti amankofo atwo mu minim I'm say to be a shaka. You know, we are the personality but this is not about personality. It's about prophecy, and that's what.
Is prophecy what God wants it to happen? And
yes, prophecy is what God.
The desire of people,
no, prophecy is what God wants it to happen. Okay. But you know, the amo koye no enye by I mean, can I say election?
Okay.
And yeah, selection.
Yeah, Debbie.
And you know, prophecy, you can't about that which God has elected. But I fear from where what men have also elected. Sorry. So prophecy is that which God has selected.
Okay.
But you buy from where it is that which men have elected. And it says, "Nyame selection eba." Now one you who you may election eba on kaho.
Okay.
So and don't forget, say election is the voice of the people.
That's
and sometimes the voice of the people is the voice of God. And this says when your prophecy say when your divine selection there, you know, na sounds to be the human election, no, I don't know. To go for Brian Shom comes on by President Omanya, and not because a prophecy is nowhere fake. It is because divinely they were selected. But humanly they were not elected because baby also kokra one
okay.
Timudeka krabai. Nipe also nom kokasa, Boshebi and Ninu Kanson Kwashe, do share Yenso and also Kwashe, all these Nipashe. Name share Akumem, Nipa Yeshedi Chia. It is an amateur Akumemu ye. Now I'm my and Bribi Hunam any Chia, anyone who am farmer to Amawa, no prophecy in Mubaka. Yes, anything can happen.
Meaning say you have a very big respect for your papa or Pambo.
Why not?
Prophet one. I know that all do from Kobe Mano.
Misro.
Nyamisha. Mezo papa me do papa chief grade makache na. Meaning say your papa Prophet one. Who jidie woni mu dono ebuno. Pam. Meaning so also can say John Dramani Mahama ebefa abano.
Wow.
No cre ofai. Emma ye papa krasa akọ okoda na se se nyankopon nam no
okoda na se okoda nyame ase.
Okoda nyame ase. Me da se ne
ka European bokra empene.
Me da se.
Aseda ne de
o se nyame dia. No kwasem. Enti ye papa John Dramani Mahama ne dom.
Ka be ka de.
Hey, kwa de. Ye papa John Dramani Mahama ene ne dom ekọ ye papa opambo ekoda nyankopon ase. Na no kre ebe musa said nyame nam so e kan no. I am saying this because say no minim say ye papa opambo e bia na ya antena no asem amfa NPP primaries ho. With respect to topic here na be di ho nkomo se wote se ye papa opambo enso se da bi the way identity che kone de edutwum ana minim say bi obi frechire
aba
ebeba. How are you going to take that? And how do you battle it out? Because nyame kro no ana or da nyoma edi
Ohinini uni ohinini
ohinini adazo ameni no
ever after election no the Ghana for edifo nyina maka nsem wo na mu nyina monko osofani opamo bo nkosua enkomhye.
Okay.
Enti so nyankopon aye adom na opani bi oseneme ketua bi amesene no de me ne ye pebi aka biribi different ana me nso mabe yesima nso mabe ka biribi different na me de amemu adom na me dan adom de be mo nya me se ene me hia de otinya me ni ye esene me nya no anse me ko na makosua ni ye we ntokwa be na ewu mu da bi ni me de fa na obi nchen akwala won da ya waso opani nso wo de wote ho a wanhunu nti no nya me de ontwa ntro me na ma anti ni ye we just go to him na say papa we de o ma yabo beboaye obi nso say yankwa ama me ne ma me nyere me ho mo na me nsesa because minimum bi a ye share no nkomo a na nka yedie eni ni mu na nso ne papa ka che nse o kente no ho a obeyi nkonu na afuru matiri so ide bi other political way obi kra afi no bi nso so fan form o say Larbi Gyimah sa so mesinti me nya da bi me nya bra na ebia na wi ma dane aba but for me that is what I have seen.
So, ladies and gentlemen, just as you heard him, no, what do you think? Do you think, sir, he is speaking by the Spirit of God? And I say, near Onuanepe, and I said, Yamifan said, Nahunim Chirenumu, and Odeka. Well, we can't tell. Let us all wait till we get to the end of January. Na Yetmehunu, Omoa, Omuye deep, any Oma, Omunye deep. Now, my videos be about Prophet Bernard L. Bernard, Ocean Com, Ediafa, Onamoke, who said, Onona. Obe winning say it is very impossible say ontimi and winning and those videos are on my YouTube. If you enter Prophet Bernard L. Bernard on YouTube search button anymore, you will get a lot of videos. Prophet Bernard L. Bernard na my prophecy about Hon Kennedy Agyapong say Orona Obebaba Abelidi the NPP party no. So check my YouTube page and you will find all these videos. A lot. I have covered it extensively because of some Christian and because I want Ghana to continue to be a Christian country. You know what the prophets say. No, I really pay close attention to that and I try to follow it. So that be a bit me a boy. And we can check my YouTube and you will find these videos. Meaning said this video was very helpful to you and I know sir we will all live to see who spoke by the Spirit of God and who didn't speak by the Spirit of God. If today is your first time visiting my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comment. That means something to me, baby, and free. I want to believe, sir, you will do that, so I want to thank you in advance. We shall meet again another time. Thank you very much. Bye.
Me myself, I'm on a fast. I'm on a fast till the 31st of January, 2026.
I limit my uncle to about so be our me delegate my question to about Kennedy are winning 100.10%. About Kennedy about Bawumia over 40%. Free and fair election. But I knew free and fair prime minister Bawumia Bereni.
Bawumia Bereni.
You in your head you would even think say Ken will become president, he will win the primaries, but then magic last minute. During the primaries, don't know where Bawumia's results are coming from. Boom. Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia, flag bearer of the NPP again, opposition, 4 years. Ken Belidi, but all of a sudden, he will win. Ken has won. They've raised up his hand. Everywhere like, oh, Ken. Now they are surprised, Ken. 11 p.m. I'm giving you time. 11 p.m. 11:45 there about 11 p.m. there about.
Enti so homa femu na mebeke homa femu no de nyame bie mani ma me hu ye ne say Dr. Bawumia will lead MPP again. Yes.
Oh sir. Ya Osama wu hu.
Sana me hu.
I was spiritual realm.
Dr. Bawumia and the MPP anim. Obedi nkunim.
It's impossible for Kennedy Agyapong not to win the flag-bearership.
It's impossible.
It's impossible.
Are you serious?
It's like the way a dog cannot fly.
Are you serious?
That's how impossible it is for Kennedy Agyapong to lose the flag-bearership.
Are you serious? Are you not putting your whole prophetic stuff on the line? If this doesn't happen, El Bernard, you're finished.
I'm can't say MPP. But I say I'm MPP. But so the MPP, I'm flag. I man can't. Na MPP flag no fanyi na ahye da ne nso no na ogofo ka dem say enyema manfo yeti apart we so mo ammo ni anda ho mama mo a it fight them.